Elon Musk buy phone. Tesla founder and CEO Elon Musk has finally embarrassed Apple with the new and insane Tesla phone. Musk's Pi phone is said to dethrone Apple's iPhone as the king of the smartphone industry. What makes the Model Pi phone better than the iPhone, and how has it embarrassed Apple's iPhone? Join me today in this video as we explore how Elon's Tesla Model Pi phone has destroyed Apple. You will agree with me that both Apple and Tesla are leading tech companies that are known for their high-tech products. Tesla's electric cars have totally revolutionized the auto industry. On the other hand, Apple's iPhone is one of the best phones in the smartphone market that are used by who is who in this world. Even the Tesla billionaire Elon Musk uses an iPhone. You don't have to go far before you realize that Musk is an iPhone user. You only have to check his Twitter handle, where you will see that he makes all of his tweets from an iPhone. It's just that simple. However, Elon has had his own share of problems with the iPhone. To begin with, he does not like iPhone's autocorrect feature, which frustrates him while typing. The tech icon does also not like the software updates in the iPhone. If his remarks while attending an event in Washington is anything to go by, in his own words, he says people are used to the phone being better every year. I'm an iPhone user, but I think some of the most recent updates have not been great. Certainly feeding into that point, it like broke my email system, which is quite fundamental. With such frustrations, Tesla owner Elon Musk has made a decision of making his own phone, which is way better than the iPhone. The Tesla phone comes with a number of magnificent features that make it unrivaled. The phone has a better battery capacity of 7,100 milliamps, which is way higher than iPhone's battery capacity of 5,000 milliamps. This is a big embarrassment to Apple's iPhone, which has been ruling the smartphone industry with such high battery capacity. The Tesla phone can last for 55 to 60 hours before the battery is drained. The superiority of the battery capacity of the Model Pi phone was expected because the automaker has a rich experience in making lithium-ion batteries for their EVs. Unlike other smartphones, it will be difficult for the Tesla Model Pi phone to be completely drained, as it relies on solar for charging. So even when you are strolling on the sandy beaches, your phone will continue recharging, so as long as it is exposed to the sun. The futuristic phone has got 4 small solar panels that are embedded in its back for charging. As such, Pi phone users will not have to walk around with their chargers. Unlike iPhone users, Tesla Model Pi phone's solar charging capacity makes it very attractive to soldiers and other humanitarian officers who serve in remote places where they cannot access electric power. By the way, you will also expect the US military to purchase most of the Tesla phones, as they are satellite phones which can be used to communicate to troops even in areas that are not covered by cellular networks. An iPhone's network coverage is greatly limited, as it can only work when it is next to cellular towers and loses connectivity when it is in very remote places like inside forests. The phone's connectivity will not just be limited to calling and texting, but it will also extend to the internet connection. The Tesla Model Pi phone will be connected to Starlink satellite internet that has downloaded speeds of up to 200 megabits per second. Starlink is a subsidiary of Elon Musk's space company known as SpaceX that offers satellite internet. Starlink is growing at a tremendous rate, as it only covered 25 countries and had only 250,000 subscribers, but now it has more than 400,000 subscribers. The beauty of it all is that it is now based on all these 7 continents, as seen in a tweet by SpaceX that reads: first 2 countries in Africa with Starlink regulatory approval. Starlink is now licensed on all 7 continents. This simply means that all of the users of the Pi phone can connect to the Starlink internet from whichever place on Earth. It is also important to point out that the Tesla Model Pi phone will not just be used on Earth, but even on other planets such as Mars. Martians will have the opportunity of using the Pi phone in mining Elon Musk's cryptocurrency, which is known as Mars coin. You will agree with me that the Tesla phone will have a great processor and will be able to mine crypto, which is normally done by a number of computers. The phone will also be using Android 12, which will enhance its functionality. Moreover, the Pi phone is superior to Apple's iPhone as it has 4 high-quality cameras. The main camera has 108 megapixels, while the other 3 cameras are equally great. In this era of lots of social media and digital work, the Tesla Model Pi phone is the perfect solution. It is that phone that you are definitely in need of for all of your online stuff. Once you have taken some selfies or downloaded some movies, you will not have to be worried about where to store them, as the Tesla phone comes with more than enough storage capacity of 2 terabytes. The storage is much bigger than that of the best iPhone, which has a Storage capacity of 1 terabyte. Other than the storage capacity, another feature that you will easily spot when shopping for a phone is its RAM. If you are wondering what is the function of the RAM, here is your answer. RAM is the part of the phone that is used to store the operating system and where apps and data currently in use are kept. You can be sure that the Pi phone will not slow down regardless of the number of apps that are running in the background, considering it has a RAM of 16 GB while the latest iPhone has a RAM of 6 GB. Most young people who love playing virtual games on their phones will go for the Tesla Pi phone as it can support multiple gaming apps. Apart from the gaming apps, you can be sure that the Tesla Model Pi phone will come with a pre-installed Tesla app which has an extraordinary ability. The Tesla app will be used as a remote control for all other Tesla products such as the Tesla apps in the Tesla Home. It will have dedicated buttons that can be used to lock and unlock both the Tesla car and the home. You will also use it to trace the Tesla car in case you forgot where you parked it. With such insane abilities of the Tesla Model Pi phone, it is necessary for it to have a high encryption feature to prevent hackers from gaining access. The software developers and cybersecurity experts in Tesla understand this too well and will ensure that the phone has strong and secure encryption that will make it very hard for hackers to penetrate. The security of the gadget is very important as the phone will also be acting as a crypto wallet. The security of the Pi phone will also be increased as there will be no SIM cards in use that are subject to SIM swapping and fraud. This will also help to veil the identity of a Python owner. In normal cases, someone can easily know your credentials and trace your whereabouts as long as they know the SIM card that is in your phone. As much as the identity of the Python users will be hidden, they can use the phone's real-time GPS to trace the gadget in case it is lost. The GPS will also help the Python users to trace any location that they want. The magnificent phone will not just be telling where in the world you are, but it will also be linked to the chip on a person's brain through the Neuralink technology. It will be of great help to people with speech impairments as it will display their thoughts on the phone screen. This will be a perfect replacement for sign language, since those with hearing and visual impairments will only have to think about something and that thing will be displayed on the screen. Tesla billionaire Elon Musk believes that Neuralink technology is superior to the smartphone, as seen in a tweet that reads, "Definitely not smart watches and phones are yesterday's technology. Neuralinks are the future." It's not just the software of the phone that is exceptional, its hardware and appearance is simply amazing. The covering of the Tesla Pi phone will have a photochromic coating that changes color every 30 minutes so long as it is exposed to the sunlight. To be specific, the phone's covering will not just be changing color, but it will camouflage, so if you put it in the green grass it will change to green, and if you put it in a pink bag it will become pink. This insane feature is very helpful to ladies who more often than not want to match the covers of their phones with their surroundings or the clothes they are wearing. So with the Tesla Pi phone, one cover is just enough. If you are amazed by the beauty of the Pi phone, remember that there is a designer behind it. Antonio De Rosa is the man who Musk has tasked with designing the Tesla Pi phone. Interestingly, Antonio was the lead designer at Apple before he left the Cupertino-based company and joined Tesla. If you are probably using an iPhone, there is every chance that it was designed by Antonio De Rosa. With such a rich experience in design, you can be sure that he will make a perfect design for the Tesla phone. One thing that you can be sure of is that it will have a better design than an iPhone. The Tesla Model Pi phone is an absolute game changer in the smartphone industry. The insane and futuristic features of the magnificent phone will have totally embarrassed Apple's iPhone. Tim Cook's team did not expect such a challenge from Tesla, who have beaten the iPhone makers in their own game. It is evident that the Tesla Model Pi phone has totally destroyed and embarrassed Apple's iPhone. The Tesla phone is now taking charge in the smartphone industry. It is now time to say goodbye, Apple. Anyways guys, if you want to see more interesting videos, click the video right above. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe with all notifications enabled so that you don't miss out on the latest Elon Musk news.